What up, players? I'm Travis MCP, and this is the last video I'm ever shooting on my phone.
This is, you listening to Travis.
Before we get started, please like, comment, and share this video. It helps the channel grow, helps the video grow, and when that happens, we can do more cool stuff on this channel. If you want to be a part of the contests and giveaways I do on this channel, you have to be a player. How do you be a player? All you have to do is hit the subscribe button and you're instantly a player and eligible for all contests, giveaways, and cool stuff that I do. So this is awkward. I'm actually in the middle of editing this video. And all my videos, as you can see on the left-hand side, are all upside down. So I'm having to flip them around like on the right-hand side. But of course, and you may not be able to tell here, the right-hand side is really fuzzy because an entire take, the one that I ended on, is fuzzy. So I'm gonna try to say everything that I said in that video right now. My life is so awesome. So now I'm hand-holding my phone to do a part that I had actually done standing, so it's a little bit awkward. But this is exactly why I've upgraded. You see, my phone didn't look like it recorded it out of focus, but it totally did. And this Canon T7i apparently has the most amazing autofocus that there is out there. Now, I know that it doesn't have 4K, and to be honest, my computer doesn't even do 4K. I mean, before I rebooted this channel, I didn't even turn the computer on. I only use tablets and smartphones at home. I mean, I don't know why anyone would even use a desktop anymore, except for, I guess, editing video. So here we are. And, I want to get into something better with my channel. I want the video quality to be better. So I went down to Fry's. They had a sale on the T7i. And holy crap, on a stick, I'm excited. But it's a lot of money. I'm not a camera guy. I've never owned a camera like this, and I'm a little nervous. So let's go check it out. All right, here we are. We're going to unbox now. Now, under normal circumstances, something this expensive I would expect tape on, but I suppose since it was in a locked area, I shouldn't be worried about things missing from here. I mean, I guess. But anyway, here we go. It's a little phallic. It's a little phallic. It's a lot phallic. Well, I think that's it. I think it's time to record. Let's head back to the studio real quick and say goodbye to the cell phone. So I want to say goodbye to my phone video. I mean, it looks okay, but I think it's time to get to the good stuff. I mean, I did spend a whole bunch of money, so let's get to it. Well, the first time I tried to figure this out, it was blurry. Couldn't figure out why it was blurry. So I did like you do with any computer. Turn it off, turn it back on. And now I'm here. Too clear, not too clear, face for radio, I don't know. Hope this is worth money because I'm sticking with it for at least 28 more days while my return policy is still on. It's a little bit of inception going on. As you can see, I'm actually editing this very video while I'm recording this. This is the first time I got this. As a matter of fact, I just tried this a minute ago, couldn't get the mic to work, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. So if this doesn't sound great, we'll get there. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to be a player, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Actually, hit my little logo that's around here. And check out some of my other videos. So thank you so much for your time. Peace and love. Peace and love.